guys, it's me again, Alicia, and I am back with another Amazon wig for you guys. So shout outs to everyone who requested that we do more Amazon wigs, but I did pick this one up from, I think the company is called DeRosie. They're on Amazon Prime, and I picked up their lace front wig in loose curly. This is the construction of their wig. It's very similar to the last one that I did. I mean, almost identical, okay? They have this 6 inches of parting space from the very front to the crown, and it does come with that pre-tweezed hairline, and it is a frontal, so it goes from ear to ear. Now, for those of you guys who want to create the style that I'm wearing, I personally bleach my knots, okay? So I did go back and check the website, and I found that the hair is not virgin. It's Remi hair. So I don't recommend bleaching your knots. However, I did, and it took very well. But if you do plan on bleaching your knots, maybe use a 10 volume developer, 20 volume developer. You don't want to use a 40% like me, okay? So I also used the neutralizing shampoo for the knots as well as the rest of the hair, and because I did bleach the hair, I did use my silicone mix just to see that the hair does not become like matted or anything. So definitely recommend silicone mix to keep your hair manageable. But now I'm just going to go in and tweeze my hairline just a little. You guys, it's not necessary. If you want your hairline a little less dense, you can go in and pluck some more of the hair. Personally, I thought that this hairline wasn't, it wasn't as plucked as I would like it to be. So I just went in and tweezed just a few of the hairs, not much. I didn't go that haywire like I did my last wig. That I just did on our channel, so check out that video, okay? But anyways, yeah, now I'm just going to take my curl defining mousse and put it throughout the hair. I like this mousse because it doesn't make the hair hard, but it actually creates curls, okay? And just a quick tip, if you guys do have textured hair, after you wash it, allow it to dry laying down, okay? Because I do that, and a lot of you guys wonder why your curls are less curly and mine are so voluminous. That's because I allow my curls to dry laying down, and then I place it on a mannequin head to finish drying, the rest of the way, but my curls will be very voluminous, okay? So yeah, so now I'm working on the edges. I do use my Cream of Nature foaming wrap mousse and apply that to the baby hairs and use like a little toothbrush just to create the style that I like, and that's how it looks, okay? So now I'm just going in and cutting off the lace after the hair is completely dried. I do use some really small shears just so I can get a very precise cut. And that's the way my hair looks, okay? I did style this in a side part, but you guys will see along the way that I do change the style up, okay? So yeah, this is how the hair looks. Again, there's that loose curly texture. If I didn't say it already, I did pick up their 14-inch, I believe, and the density on this one is only 150%. I chose that density because my last one was actually really good, but this one is kind of thinner, so it's not as full as the last one. So for those of you guys who prefer thick, full, natural hair, this isn't that. This one is a lot less full. It's more finer, and the density is light and natural looking. So for those of you guys who want a really natural look, you might want to go for this one, okay? So now this is when I decided I want to change up my style. So I opted for a center part. So I'm just going to place a nice deep part in the very center. And again, you guys, that parting space is insane, okay? So yeah, and now I'm just touching up the edges and placing a little foundation powder in the very center, just so that it blends right into my skin. And there you have it. It looks very natural. I'm so happy that I did choose to change the style. The curls are very shiny. It's very soft. Again, you guys, this isn't virgin hair, so when you're dealing with Remi hair, the curls bounce back very easily, okay? You just need a little bit of foaming wrap mousse and you should be good. But again, you guys, here is the look of the hair. It's really giving me wet hair vibes, okay? So again, this comes from DeRosie. I think this was like 115, I think. You guys check them out and let me know what you guys think. So quick update on this unit. I did get this sometime last month in July, around the end of the month, and I've been wearing it pretty moderately. I think I wore it a total of maybe 7 or 8 times altogether. This is how the hair looks after wear. As you guys can see, those curls do loosen up. It looks a little finer and it's a bit frizzier. I did receive some matting at the nape, but really nothing to complain about. This is the amount of shedding that I did get from beginning to the end. So if this is too much shedding for you, I would definitely consider that upon purchasing. And this is how the curls look after I applied a little water and product. This is how it bounces back. If you want your curls to be tighter, I would definitely wash your hair and allow it to dry laying down. For those of you guys who are wondering if it's thick or thin, I do consider this to be on the thinner side, so you guys can look at my density and see just how natural it looks. Keep in mind, if you are basing your purchase upon my experiences, just note that we do not wear our units the same amount of times. We don't use the same amount of products. We don't use the same products. So keep that in mind, that our units may look different. And yeah, if you guys have any more questions, definitely let me know. I'll catch you guys later. Bye guys.